Hi, welcome. You can see here how to create the schema, all the table creation by executing the script specific to MySQL database for Apache Hive. Uh, Hive stores all the matters information in those tables. Hive provides all the detailed scripts for different vendor RDBMS. You need to choose and run the scripts which RDBMS basically will be using to club with the Apache Hive. Please like and share and stay tuned with us for subsequent videos related to big data processing and related technologies as well as real-time use case and POC execution. Thanks.